Today I am doing Botox to help with our patient's 11s and also to help lift up her lower corners of her mouth, and those are her DAOs. So these are very common areas to treat with Botox. Other areas include crow's feet or forehead muscles, but our patient doesn't need that. So I have already drawn up my Botox in my syringe, and I've already marked where I'm going to treat her in her glabella. This is called your glabella. A lot of people call them the 11s, but I'm going to have you frown at me. Okay, relax now. 1, 2, 3. And typical dosages for treating the glabella start at 20 units for this whole area. And when people do less than that, typically the results aren't as good and it won't last as long. So I always tell people when they're coming in and they tell me they only want to do a few units here, I usually will say no because I don't want them to be upset that it didn't work as well or last as long. And then they're going to think the Botox didn't work. And they're like, no, it's because you didn't do enough. So really, you wouldn't go to a surgeon and tell them how many stitches you'd like them to place for a wound that they're closing. So listen to your injector and listen to how many units they recommend that you do. All right, so that area is already done. So now we're going to do her DAOs. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Boom, boom. Awesome. Go a little bit lower. Perfect. And you can actually treat right along your jawline too to help define your jawline better. That's called the Nefertiti lift. But right now we're just going to lift here to help give her a little bit more of a up to the corners of her mouth. So I'm going to go around to the other side for a sec. Okay, 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. Awesome. You're so strong. One more here. Excellent. So another area that people often treat is the chin. So sometimes you can get something called Peau de orange, which is not really a nice thing to say. It's like kind of orange peely. And that can help relax the chin. You can do a lip flip to help bring up the upper lip. You can treat lines in the neck, which are the platysmal bands. So lots of places to do Botox, but these are the 2 areas we just did are really, really common. So if you want to find out more about Botox or if it's right for you, you can find us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and on our website at RejuvenationMD. That's .com.